What's going on, everybody? We got a 2011 Chevy HHR, no crank, no start, set in a U2137 in the body control module. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've done so far to get this thing diagnosed. So this is that U2137 in the body control module. And if we do go over here to the theft deterrent control module, if we just try and read DTCs, we have no communication, no codes. So the first thing I did here was check this HVAC PK3 fuse 10. And we had battery positive here. That was good. So I went ahead and removed the cowl covers to access the theft deterrent control module. And as you know, this module here reads the key, and basically we're just checking for two powers, a data line and a ground. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we did that. Right now we do have our scope hooked up, and we are probed with our channel B, which is a red channel, into pin 1 of the DLC. And you see there we do have a pattern. This is the low speed LAN from GM. Now I'm going to take channel 1 of this scope, and we're basically going to do this would be back probing for voltage at this module. We're going to check for voltage here, and as you see on the scope, we went up to 12 volts. This terminal should also be battery voltage, and it is on the scope. And then this is our ground, so we're expecting this to be real low, and it is a low signal there. That's great. And the next one over here is our data line. As you can see, that matches the pattern from channel B. So at this point, I'm condemning a theft deterrent module. If you need to learn how to better use your Picoscope software, be sure to check out hands-on auto training courses. Now this vehicle theft deterrent module has a procedure to pull the keys out before you replace the module, basically to record the key data and then transfer it into the new module. That's more or less what this setup procedure is telling us to do. So we can't do that, so we are going to have to get some new Circle Plus keys here. Hey everybody, what's up? We're back with that Chevy HHR. We got a brand new theft module from General Motors. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and we're going to see if we have communication before we do anything. Now I will tell you ahead of time, we had no communication with that old module. I cut a couple keys. The GM Circle Plus keys, if you can't transfer the data over out of the original module, many times you'll have to get new keys. Now this says PK3, but this should be a plus key. I don't know what's going on there, but we're going to go ahead and put that module in. I am just going to go ahead and install it with it hanging down just for now, just to see if communication comes back. Here's our spanking new one. So I'll go ahead and just install that like that. Let me go ahead and get my MDI hooked up. As you see, I already have my Tech 2 set up here, ready to rock and roll, but I don't even have my MDI going, so let me get that. Okay, we've got our MDI plugged in there. Hit the refresh button, should pop up on here. And we're going to select it and hit OK. And I am going to go ahead and turn the key to the run position. And right now I'm just looking to see if the module even communicates. It should have a code saying it's not programmed, and we don't have any keys programmed. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to go to theft deterrent module. Let's go to diagnostic trouble codes. And it's present, as you see right here, and you'll come up with the codes. So we are showing authentication error, no transponder, that's because it's hanging down, and security controller in learn mode. To get this module in and out of here, you actually have to pop the lock cylinder out by depressing a little button right down there. There's a little hole, you push down on that, pop the lock cylinder out, then we can slide on this new module. So I've got a little pick tool. I'm just going to go and depress the little button and the hold there. There you go. So we pop that out. I'll go ahead and slide this module on here, which is like a quick fit. Just like that. We'll pop our cylinder back in. And for starting our process, I'm going to go ahead and get one of these new keys off the key ring. And we'll put that in there. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys where that hole is. There are two holes, and the one you want to be working with is the first one right here, not the back one, but this one right here. Okay, let's go ahead and start this process here. We're going to go to SPS2. I am expecting this to have the vehicle theft deterrent learn and then a separate immobilizer or theft deterrent module programming, but we'll see what happens. I'll click on replace and reprogram, and next. Now, I don't see the theft deterrent module, but we got vehicle theft deterrent. It says learn. I was expecting to see theft deterrent module listed here. Let's go ahead and hit next. See what happens. Ah, there we go. Prepare module TDM setup usually when instructed. So we're not preparing this for setup. Let's check our service information here. Tech line's been having problems with SI. Let's see if they're still having issues where it doesn't load up. There we go. We want that. Oh, looks like it's loading. So we're going to go to theft. Programming and setup. Theft deterrent module and programming and setup. North America except Canada. That should be us. So connect scan tool. Select theft deterrent module and vehicle control module data list. Setup. Select new module. So what are they telling us to do? With the scan tool, new module setup. What did I say? Step 1, use new keys. Okay. Now, I'll be the first one to tell you, I was expecting that to be a theft deterrent learn that's like a separate programming for the module and then program the keys or initialize the powertrain system, but that was not correct. So I guess we learn every day, always something new. Okay, as you see here, we're finishing this up. So I'll go ahead and clear all the DTCs. Turn the key off for a few seconds after that's done. One thing I really do like about SPS and SPS2 is you can clear all the DTCs right through the interface. On a Tech 2 Win vehicle, or a Tech 2 vehicle non-GDS2, you gotta sit there and go through everything. And it takes forever. So So you see we don't have a theft light on here. Let me see if I can rotate this wheel back for us. I'll go ahead and turn the key off. I'll try and crank it. And we've got ourselves a runner. That's a great thing. Let's give this a second, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch keys. This is our other new key. Don't know if this one got programmed or not. Apparently it did, doing that procedure where I switched it originally. So we are in good shape. Just have to go ahead and button this all up. Be on our way. And we should hop back in here with our Tech 2 and check our codes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Engine control module is clean. Let's go ahead and check the body systems here. I'm curious to see the body control module and also that theft deterrent module. Nothing there, that's cool. And we're good. So that's a wrap on this one. If you like these type of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, click on that notification bell, and I'll keep them coming to you. If you want even more content that doesn't make it to YouTube, be sure to check out Hands-On Auto Training courses. Go to handsonautotraining.com, click on the courses tab. There are some free courses and some more in-depth stuff than you get on YouTube, but there's also some paid courses. $10 a month is the course subscription, and you will get a lot of content for that, I guarantee it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.